of carpets that toes can go through?
Loose, like shag carpet.
That your toe can go through?
What? No, like when your toes go
like
through
toes
sand.
go like in.
Yeah.
I think like through the carpet. It's like, I don't think. Really? The carpet's giving you hiccups? When Alex laughs too hard, she gets she gets hiccups. I can't believe it's over carpets.
Oh no!
Well, that's some good audio for the listeners there. And welcome back to the Okie Doke Podcast, where I'm talking with diarrhea sounds. And I'm talking to the sound a butt makes when it dies.